Unit 2, Lesson 11.
Building the Channel has been one of the most exciting building projects in recent years. The Channel is the tunnel that goes under the English Channel and joins Great Britain and France. At first, there was a lot of opposition to the project. Traditionally, the British and French, although neighbors, have not been the best of friends, and many people in Britain did not want to be joined to mainland Europe by the tunnel. There was the problem of rabies, too. There has never been a single case of rabies in Britain. Would a closer connection with Europe bring rabies to the island? However, in February 1986, the British and French governments finally signed an agreement to build the Channel. The French started their end of the tunnel in June 1988. The British started tunneling in December of the same year. The two ends of the tunnel joined up in December 1990. The Channel was officially opened by Queen Elizabeth II and President Mitterrand in May 1994. The Channel is 50.45 kilometers long. It's a transcontinental railroad under the ocean. It consists of 3 continuous tubes, each 49 kilometers in length. You can't drive through the Channel, but you can drive your car onto the Eurotunnel car transport and be transported from one country to the other with your car so that you have it on the other side. Or you can just take the Eurostar, the high-speed passenger train, and travel the 495 kilometers from London to Paris in just 2 hours, 15 minutes, for £59 round trip. And don't worry too much about being in a tunnel under the ocean. Only 20 minutes of the journey is actually spent in the Channel. 2 very different cultures are now forever joined, and people often pass from one country to the other for a day out, or even just to go shopping.